We previously called water amphoteric since it can act like an acid or a base depending on the chemical circumstances. Water auto-ionizes, which is the process where one hydrogen from a water molecule transfers to another water molecule to form H3O+, which is called hydronium. Since this happens, whether or not there is an acid or a base in solution, water has a special K value. At 25 degrees Celsius, the Kw equals 1.00 times 10 to the negative 14. And this value needs to be memorized. In pure water, the concentrations of hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion are equal. Therefore, we would call it a neutral solution. An acid solution is one that has a hydrogen ion concentration greater than 10 to the negative 7 molar.